Bird habitats, Part 2. Bird habitats are areas with ecological and environmental characteristics where species have adapted over thousands of years to find food, water, shelter, and mates for reproduction. Albany Thicket, Southern Tchagra, rocky outcrops and cliffs, Cape eagle owl, small flowing streams in woodland and hilly forested areas, mountain wagtail, alpine grasslands with large scattered boulders, Sentinel rock thrush, arid plains with sparse grass and stony areas, Stark's lark, sand flats and mud flats in estuaries and lagoons, Terek Sandpiper, high altitude grassland with dense, short grass, Rudd's lark, rocky and sandy shorelines, African oystercatcher, arid and semi-arid shrublands in the Karoo, Karoo Eremomela, rocky mountain fynbos, Cape Rockjumper. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.